Have you ever walked into a room and felt like every single person was judging you? Your heart races, your hands get sweaty, and suddenly even making eye contact feels impossible. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Social anxiety can feel like a prison trapping you in your mind, making simple interactions feel terrifying. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way in this video. We're going to break down exactly how to manage and overcome social anxiety with real practical steps that work. Let's clear up a common myth. Social anxiety is not just shyness. Shyness is a personality trait. Social anxiety is a mental health challenge that affects millions. It's when your brain tells you that you're constantly being judged, making you feel self-conscious and afraid of embarrassing yourself. The worst part. It can hold you back from opportunities, relationships, and experiences that could change your life. But here's the truth. Social anxiety isn't a life sentence. The more you understand it, the more control you can take over it. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with social anxiety is the belief that everyone is watching and judging them. But here's a reality check. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves to be focused on. You think about it when you walk into a room. Are you analyzing every single person's outfit, posture, and facial expressions? Probably not. The same goes for others, realizing this can take off a lot of pressure. So the next time you feel like all eyes are on, you remind yourself, people are not thinking about me as much as I think they are. This simple mindset shift can make a massive difference. Practical strategies to reduce social anxiety. Understanding is one thing, but action is what makes change happen. Here are 3 powerful strategies you can start using today. Expose your therapy. The more you avoid social situations, the scarier they become. The key: start small. Instead of pushing yourself into overwhelming situations, take baby steps. If talking to strangers feels impossible, start by making small talk with a cashier. If public speaking makes you panic, practice speaking in front of a mirror or a friend. Challenge yourself to 1 tiny social interaction per day. Over time, it gets easier. Shift the focus. Become the observer instead of being hyper-aware of yourself. Shift your focus outward. Pay attention to the people around you. What are they wearing? How do they talk? What do they seem interested in? When you become curious about others, your anxiety takes a back seat. Breathing and body language. Trick your brain. Your body and mind are connected. If your posture is closed off and your breathing is shallow, your brain signals danger. But if you act confident, stand tall, take deep breaths, and slow down your speech, your brain follows. Try the 478 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It instantly calms your nervous system. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about overcoming social anxiety. So here's a challenge for you in the next 24 hours. Do one thing that pushes you slightly out of your comfort zone. Socially, it could be smiling at a stranger, asking a question in class or at work, or making small talk with a barista. Drop a comment below with what you're going to try. Let's take this journey together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical self-improvement tips. See you in the next one.